In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a business email address in Namecheap hosting using cPanel. I'll hover over the cPanel and go to cPanel. On this page, scroll down to email. Under email, click on email account. I have 30 available emails to set up and I've not used any of it. I'm going to show you how to create it. Click on create. This is the domain name. I'll type the username here. It's gonna be the username at the domain name. I would like to blur it for confidential reasons because I don't want people to be spamming my inbox with emails. I need to create a password for it. This is it. When it turns green, that means it's good. I'll scroll down, click on create. It's created successfully. I have 29 available and I've used one, which is really good. To check my inbox, I would click on check mail. It comes with 250 megabyte of storage and this email is powered by RAN. To open, you can click here or you can check this. Anytime you click on check mail, it's gonna open by default, but I'll just click to open. Click on it to configure. This is how you create a professional email address in Namecheap cPanel. And one thing you need to know is that when you buy your domain name and you create a professional email address on your domain name, you have to pay for that. But when you are hosting your website on Namecheap, you don't pay for that. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.